We will learn the muscles of the anterior compartment of leg. That is, first is tibialis anterior. It has a spindle-shaped belly with multi-pinnate fibers. Its origin from lateral condyle of tibia, upper two-thirds of the lateral surface of the shaft of tibia, adjoining point of interosseous membrane, and insertion is inferomedial surface of medial cuneiform and the adjoining part of the base of first metatarsal bone. And its nerve supply is deep peroneal nerve. And its action is dorsiflexor of foot, inverter of foot, keeps the leg vertical while walking on uneven ground and maintains medial longitudinal arc of foot. And second is extensor alicis longus. Its origin is posterior half of medial 2/4 of medial surface of shaft of fibula, medial to the extensor digitorum longus and adjoining part of interosseous membrane. Its insertion is dorsal surface of base of distal phalanx of big toe. Its nerve supply. It is a deep peroneal nerve. And action. Dorsiflexor of foot and extends metatarsophalangeal and interphalangeal joints of big toe. And third is extensor digitorum longus. Its origin. Lateral condyle of tibia, whole of upper 1/4 and anterior half of middle 2/4 of medial surface of shaft of fibula, upper part of interosseous membrane. Its insertion. It divides into 4 tendons of lateral 4 toes. The tendons of second, third and fourth digits are joined on the lateral side by tendon of extensor digitorum brevis and forms the dorsal digital expansion. It is inserted on the base of middle and distal phalanges. Its nerve supply. It is a deep peroneal nerve. And its action. Dorsiflexor of foot extends metatarsophalangeal, proximal and distal interphalangeal joints of second to fifth toe. And next is peroneus tertius muscle. It is a separated part of the extensor digitorum longus and may be regarded as its fifth tendon. Its origin. From lower 1/4 of medial surface of shaft of fibula, adjoining part of interosseous membrane. Its insertion. Medial part of dorsal surface of base of fifth metatarsal bone. Its nerve supply. It is a deep peroneal nerve. And its action. Dorsiflexor of foot and inverter of foot. And last is extensor digitorum brevis. This is a small muscle situated on the lateral part of dorsum of foot, deep to the tendons of extensor digitorum longus. Its origin. It originates from the muscle from anterior part of superior surface of calcaneum. And its insertion is the muscle divides into 4 tendons for the medial 4 toes. The medial most part of the muscle which is distinct is known as extensor alicis brevis. The extensor alicis brevis is inserted into the dorsal surface of base of proximal phalanx of great toe. The lateral 3 tendons join the lateral side of tendon of extensor digitorum longus to form dorsal digital expansion for second, third and fourth toe. And its nerve supply is lateral terminal branch of deep peroneal nerve. Its action. Medial tendon known as extensor alicis brevis extends metatarsophalangeal joint of big toe. The other 3 lateral tendons extend the metatarsophalangeal and interphalangeal joints of second, third and fourth toe, particularly in a dorsiflexed foot.